What's the difference between main idea and theme? A main idea is always a single sentence summary. In one sentence, tell me the character, the problem, the solution. Boom, done. Main idea is going to get into the text and name those specifics. Theme does not. Theme hovers above the text. Theme is also a single sentence, right? The theme on a standardized test is always which of these sentences best describes the theme. Those are sentences. But the difference is it doesn't name specific characters, problem, and solution. You can read 4 texts, 4 stories, 4 different sets of characters with different sets of problems with different solutions. Do you see how each has its own main idea? Because main idea is going to name that specific character with that problem and that solution. Boom, boom, boom. 4 different main ideas, but they all might have the same theme. They might all have the same life lesson that friendship can come in the form of strangers. Yeah, but the characters who became friends in this story are different than this story, and this story. Main ideas are specific to each text. Theme hovers above.